Have you ever considered how powerful a simple sneeze can be? It's astonishing to learn that a human sneeze can propel droplets at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. This rapid expulsion of air is your body's way of clearing irritants from the nasal passages. The force behind it is generated by a combination of muscle contractions and the body's reflexive response to stimuli. When you sneeze, tiny droplets containing mucus and saliva can travel several feet, making it an effective means for spreading germs. This incredible speed emphasizes the importance of covering your mouth and nose while sneezing to prevent the spread of illnesses. Never underestimate the might of a sneeze.